I get these types of comments on my videos all the time. That, oh, why are you riding a 500 through that trail, or this or that, you know? And so I don't know what the game is. If it's to determine what is the least amount of power or the least that you would need to go through a trail, then that's walking. I mean, you can walk through any of these trails, right? So why even bring a dirt bike at all? Just walk, if that's what you're thinking. If you're wondering, why should I bring a 500 on these trails? Well, just walk on those trails then, right? You don't need a bike at all. If we're going to talk about that then, because any bike has more power than you need to go through some of these trails. Walking is very easy, you know? And then you don't even have to have a truck. Get rid of your truck, you know, you can have a Prius, drive to the woods and just walk through the trails. In fact, why even do that? Because, I mean, you're going to drive an hour and a half or whatever, you know, drive distance, park your car in the woods, walk through the trail, and then what are you going to do? Walk through another trail? And then what, go home? Why? It's pointless. Just stay home. It's more comfortable to stay home. You know, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to wear any clothes, you don't have to bring any bikes at all. It's much easier just to stay home. I mean, it's not like you're going somewhere. It's not like at the end of the trail there's a Burger King, you know, and you don't even have to walk the trail. You could somersault through the trail, you could roll down the trail, you could crawl. You know, I mean, a lot of these trails you don't really need to have a bike. You know, in fact, it's much better just to stay home, right? Why even bother with the dirt bike at all? Just stay home. It's not like you're getting paid to go there. In fact, you're paying money to go there, right? So just stay home. You don't even need to go on the trail at all, you know, or just walk on the trail. Yeah. So let's take a look at this video here. So these people are using a trials bike and are going over a rock. I mean, why are they going over that rock? I mean, they could easily just go around the rock. I mean, there's plenty of space on both sides. Why are they going over this rock? In fact, why do they even have that bike there to begin with? I mean, I could just jump on top of that rock and jump off. You know, there's no reason at all that you would need that bike to go over that rock. In fact, you don't even need to go on that rock at all. You know, I mean, I could jump on and off real easily. So I'm not sure why they're using the bike. You know, it's much easier to jump on and off it myself. And why are they there to begin with? I mean, they should just stay home. You know, watch Matlock. You know, sit on TV, sit at home, watch Matlock, you know, and they can jump on and off the couch, you know, and you know, instead of going to the woods. I mean, why go all the way to that, you know, wooded area and go over a rock with a bike? I mean, especially when you could either go around or you could just jump on it yourself. Much easier. They could probably jump over that rock much easier than they could have gone over with the bike. So there's just no reason for any of this, you know. Stay home, watch Matlock, and just jump on and off your sofa. You know, much easier. Yeah. So yeah, I agree with these people here. You know, why even ride this bike at all? Why ride any bike through the wood? Just, you know, walk or just stay home. Yeah, stay home. That's best. You know, because you're not going anywhere. You're going in circles. You start off where you park your car, you go in a circle, come back home. I mean, you're just going in circles. You know, walking around in circles. There's no reason to go anywhere, right? So yeah, I have no idea why anybody would, you know, load up their bike and go into the woods and then ride down a trail, you know.